Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats for the program. Hello!
What is up, madlang people?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let's turn around.
We are here, yes, yes.
Six one. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Continue.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, mommy. Excuse me, mommy. Alright, sisters.
Are you all ready?
Wow!
One more time, one more time. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much for being here tonight to celebrate someone very special to us. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Patty, one of General Esperon's daughter, and I am Cataline, the youngest of General and we are your lovely host.
I love you talaga. Ako na Angelo. Yes!
Tonight, we celebrate not just 74 years of life, but 74 years of service, leadership, faith, friendship, and syempre, family.
Family.
On behalf of our family, welcome to the birthday celebration of our dad, General Hermogenes June Esperon Jr. As can we get a spotlight on our birthday boy? Birthday man. Ayan, the spotlight. Woo! Ano
So
fantastic. So handsome. What an honor it is to be surrounded by everyone here, dear friends and family of our dad from all walks of life. We have here the Philippine Science class of 1970. Yes. PMA Marvel class of 1974. Top business leaders, outstanding former cabinet members, military officers and doctors, and close friends and family, of course. Thank you for being here. Let's have a great time tonight. And yes, we will try not to delay dinner, so let us celebrate. Yes. To formally welcome everyone tonight, may we call on someone very special to our dad. Ang nagpapatibok sa puso niya. Yes, our mother, Dr. Lorna V. Esperon.
Thank you, Pati at Kaka. Bakit ako mag-retire? Kasi magaling naman ako sa mga. I'm so happy because this is a well-celebrated birthday celebration of my husband, the 74th. It is very significant because he belongs to Marangal Class 74. That's why we celebrate 74 at 74. Kung 76 ka, di 76 at 76. General Ibrado. Allow me first to greet, kung hindi ko mag-greet lahat, at least mag-greet ko yung mga kilala ko. First and foremost, I would like to thank our officiating priest, Father Carl Buslon, for being my prayer warrior. And of course, Marivic Matito, another prayer warrior of mine. Hindi natin masasabi, we are going to the 70s na. If you are going to 70s, you have to compete with life. So every year we have to celebrate it because it's a Thanksgiving. The Lord gives you another year to live. And thankful because my husband is healthy, alive, and eating. So syempre, signs of aging, sabi ko nga, talagang medyo makashaken But then, feels good. You can pray God twice a week. Sometimes, kumatakas pa sa akin. And Colonel Matito, the husband of Maribig, my friend, my celebrity friend. Everything, andyan na sa kanya. US, andyan na lahat. And, by group na ako, ababati. Father Puslon, Father Tansit, and Father Achacoso, Philippine Science. So, I greet all the PMA class 74. I congratulate you because you're alive at the age of 74, headed by the President, General Sani Rason, and of course, the rest of the Marangas and their beautiful ladies. Thank you so much for coming. The Philippine Science class of 1970, headed by Father Chacoso, and the rest of class 70, who are very loving. Whenever we go to America, sila po yung nag-host sa amin. Thank you so much. The boss of my husband sa Philippines ba? Mr. Basilio Yap, sir. Thank you so much po for coming. Andyan po sa table nito. And the Shakman family, our very own Shakman family, magka-birthday sila ng asawa ko, si Mr. Barnett Shakman, and of course the wife, Cora, and son, Sammy, and our anak, Nina, and Sammy. Thank you for coming. Mr. Alex Tanuaco, the former supporting. Siya ang tumulong sa akin na mag-donate sa Viluna during the time of Marawi. He renovated the ward, 2 wards, and sabi niya, dito lang ako makakabayad ng utang na loob sa mga sundalo. So palakpakan natin kasi mga philanthropists na mga kaibigan namin. And also, of course, Mr. Barnett helped me also with my project in Viluna sa mga activities namin. He donated me cash for my projects. Also, I would like to thank Executive Secretary
MLDA.
Jelly.
Kalimutan.
Ma'am Ben, thank you so much.
Ha? Andiyan o.
Thank you for accompanying our former President to the Hague. And of course, defending him all the way. Hanggang sa nagkasakit doon, awan ng Diyos naman nakabalik siya. Up and about, back to na normal na naman. Thank you so much, sir. Tuloy ang laban!
Hindi yan. Hindi yan.
Laban tayo!
Doon sa Penadon.
Yung mga former, saan ba dito? Yung mga officers na asawa ko, mga active officers ng Philippine Army. Si Colonel Abutin, sino pa ba ang doon? Pag may narinig kayo sa akin, tahimik lang kayo, ha? Walang malinis dito, joke-joke lang.
AID pa yung mga active ha.
Ano pa ba? Family of Espero, dito, mga galing Amerika. Yan, si Manang Jaime, Manang Norma, Manang Nora, Manang Bridgie, Manang Linda, and Manang David. Yung mga class 74 kasi, na hindi ko lang sila nakita, no? Kasi nagbakasyon ako ng matagal, kaya pasensya na, medyo hindi ko namang memorize yung pangalan niyo. Joke. Let's celebrate! And Dr. Joseph Lee pala, siya ang nag-aalala sa asawa ko. Home service, yan. Ano pa ba? Si Dr. Ronnie Greg Tangkol in New York. Nung time ng asawa ko ng Chief of Staff, siya yung nag-introduce ng St. Peter Plan. So lahat ng mga active ay covered ng St. Peter Plan ni Mildred and York. Silang owner ng St. Peter Plan. But then, hindi lang yun nagtatapos. Pagka may namatay ng sawa na sundalo, Mildred, pag-donate naman ng kabaong. Natutuwa ako kasi hindi yung murang kabaong binibigay, yung magagandang kabaong. Bakit yung maganda? Tama yung muray na lang. Hindi okay lang yung trend. question. Sabi ko, ako ng campaign manager mo, Amelia, na nagagalit na ako sa iyo. So, thank you so much yung mga nasa likod friends, sa mga national security, si General Abdamad, and of course, Miss Kurokoto. Ano pa ba ang doon? Pasensya na, hindi ko ma-memorize ang mga pangalan ha. Ay, yung mga angels ko. Yan, si Edwin, si Mary, si Banji, si Ana, si Fe, si Dr. Kong, wala pa. Wala pa. Salamat po at ako'y masaya at pinasaya niya ang asawa ko. Bihira po talagang nagiging masaya ang birthday ng asawa ko kasi simple lang gusto niya, ginagaya niya si President Rudy Duterte. Pag nag-birthday, natutulog sa bahay yan. Gaya-gaya ka talaga, sabi ko sa kanya. But this time, hindi ka na pwede tumakas kasi minsan lang dumaan yung 74 years old mo. Yung pa 74, lifetime yan. Pero hindi na pwedeng balikan pa. Pag 75 ka, ano naman 75 at 74, pangit na yun, di ba? So thank you, let's celebrate and enjoy the food that we prepared. And we all dance mamaya, ang lahat. Nang hindi sasayaw, merong penalty, may punishment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you all. And I hope this will mark a big celebration to my husband. Happy birthday, Hermogenes Esperon Jr.
Thank you so much, our mother, Dr. Lorna Villas-Peron. Wow, what a wonderful welcoming remarks. Okay, time for the moment na hinihintay ng lahat sa birthday, the cake and the cake eating. Yes, the cake reveal. Did we invite our mom again, Dr. Lorna, together with some of our family members to come up here on stage to do some, as we say, happy birthday with the help of the Caballeros band over here too. Yes, so Dr. Lorna Villas-Peron, come back. And of course, our birthday boy, and the family of General Hermo, please come forward, family.